Looking for raw demolition power? Today we're counting down the top 5 best electric jackhammers you can get your hands on. From compact designs to heavy-duty monsters, this list has something for every job. Watch the entire list and you'll be able to decide which one suits you best. Let's dive in together and find the perfect tool for you. Item number 5. The XtremepowerUS 61108 XP electric jackhammer is built for serious demolition power. Perfect for breaking concrete, brick, tiles, stucco, and even foundations. It delivers 1800 BPM with a powerful 2200 watt motor. Its 360-degree adjustable foregrip ensures maximum control from any angle, while the heavy-duty design handles both home and commercial projects with ease. This corded electric tool accepts 1 1/8 inch hex shank bits and comes complete with chisels, gloves, goggles, and a case. Everything you need for tough demolition jobs. Item number 4. The Berserker 65F demolition hammer packs serious power with a 1700 watt 14 amp motor delivering 1900 BPM and 55 joules of impact energy. Built for heavy-duty chipping, trenching, and demolition, it features a 30mm hex shank system for quick bit changes and maximum energy transfer. The 360-degree adjustable handle and anti-vibration technology provide comfort and control during long jobs. With a rugged design, lock-on button for extended use, and a full accessory kit, this breaker is ready for the toughest tasks, backed by a 24-month warranty. Item number 3. The VEVOR electric jackhammer is built for professionals, powered by a 2000-watt industrial motor delivering an impressive 66 joules of impact energy. Its heavy-duty aluminum body ensures durability and corrosion resistance, while the high-strength alloy chuck keeps chisels secure during intense demolition. A 360-degree rotary handle and lock-on button provide comfort and precision, even in tight spaces. With an efficient cooling system and 6 included chisel bits, this tool is perfect for breaking concrete, brick, tile, foundations, and more, built to tackle the toughest jobs. Item number 2. The Berserker 65H demolition hammer combines power, control, and durability in one lightweight design. Its 1700 watt motor delivers up to 2100 BPM with 45 joules of impact energy, making it perfect for heavy demolition, trenching, and concrete breaking. Weighing only 25 pounds, it's easy to handle in both horizontal and vertical positions, with a 360-degree main handle and 180-degree D handle for flexibility. Featuring 6 variable speeds, SDS-Max bit system, anti-vibration technology, and a rugged alloy housing, this jackhammer is built tough, backed by a 24-month warranty. Item number 1. The Stark USA 61132 electric jackhammer delivers strong performance in a compact, lightweight design. Powered by a 1200 watt motor with 14 joules of impact energy, it's perfect for wall breaching, slab removal, channel creation, and surface prep. Its inline chipping function makes quick work of dense concrete, while the 360-degree rotary handle and shock-absorbing design reduce fatigue and increase comfort. Weighing under 20 pounds, it's easy to maneuver. Complete with chisels and a carrying case, this jackhammer is built tough for both pros and home users. Which of these electric jackhammers is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.